Ahoy mates, my name is Simply Animated. Welcome to my channel. Today I have this look for you guys. It's like a simple fall makeup. Fall's my favorite season, excuse me. It's like a simple spring makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe for more content. Don't be a stranger. Comment down below, subscribe, check out more of my content. As always, stay black, but most importantly, stay blessed. My name is Simply Animated and welcome to my channel. Oh, and now, oh. CeeLo brown. No, CeeLo green. I like CeeLo green. Oh, that is so sweet. So cute. I cannot take myself serious, bruh. It's like my first time trying this hairstyle. Like, I'm really trying to do different hairstyles with my hair, with my natural hair, and it's just not working out for your girl. So my hair might look a little cray, but yeah, it's gonna be okay. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Yeah, I got to put my earrings on. Wait. Okay, this is cute. This is fire. Minus this hair right here sticking up, but other than that, it's fine. I see reflective. See that? Catch that? This is cute. I got these from It's Fashion Metro about 2 years ago, by the way. So cute. They're like some statement pieces. They're so cute. And what is like so long.